tell a moral story. The moral story is the lion and the mouse. Let's start. Once upon a time, there lived a lion and the mouse. One day, the lion was sleeping. The mouse started playing over it. Yay! Yippee! Wow! The lion woke up. He caught up the mouse. So was going to kill. And mouse started requested for forgiveness. Okay. I'm very scared. Please. Don't eat me. I shall never forget it. Maybe one day I can help you. The lion let him go. Go, tiny mouse, go. Thank you, King. Thank you very much. The lion was started roaring loudly. Help! Please, somebody help me. Little mouse heard the voice of the lion. Okay. Don't worry. I'm here to help you. The mouse cut the net with his stick. The lion was free. Thank you, little mouse. Mouse, I will never trouble you again. The lion and mouse became friends forever. The moral of the story is: do good, have good. We should follow in our daily life.